Hey everyone, in this video, let's talk about how you can use Postiz. In order to do so, here we are at postiz.com. That's postiz.com. And what is Postiz all about? Well, it's your ultimate social media scheduling tool. Postiz offers everything you need to manage your social media posts, build an audience, capture leads, and grow your business. And you can start a 7-day trial by clicking here. Let's go ahead and take a look at the pricing first for Postiz. So we have our monthly and our yearly. For our monthly, we start at standard $29 a month, moves up to team $39 a month, pro $49, and ultimate $99 a month. For the standard, you get 5 channels, 400 posts per month, an advanced picture editor, AI autocomplete, AI copilot, marketplace full access, and Discord community support. And you can click here to get started. Let's go ahead and head back and just go down and take an overview of the homepage here. So with Postiz, you can schedule and generate posts with AI. So if you have a social media presence and you're looking for a tool that's going to allow you to automate your posts so that you're maintaining your social media presence, then you might want to use Postiz. You can subscribe to their newsletter, trusted by customers all over the world. Who is Postiz for? It's for creators, businesses, and agencies. You get streamlined content creation and scheduling for consistent personal brand growth. You can expand brand reach and boost marketing impact with tailored post scheduling. You can easily manage multiple client accounts for increased productivity and better results. All the tools required for social media growth in one place. Seamless scheduling, AI content assistant, design with AI. You can use a Canva-like tool to create stunning visuals for your social media posts and generate pictures with AI. You can manage your social media channels with ease, collaborating with your team and delegating tasks. Postiz will auto post, auto like, and auto comment once you reach a specific milestone so you can get the maximum engagement for your content. There are comprehensive analytics, learn from your data and improve your social media strategy, track your performance and optimize your content, and a wide list of trending social media channels. Harness the power of various social media channels seamlessly integrated into the platform for enhanced workflow efficiency. Discord, Instagram, Facebook, YouTube, TikTok, all of the main channels that you would expect. Are you ready to get started? Let's go ahead and click on Get Started. And you can see that in order to proceed, you can either sign up with Google or your email address, and you can create an account. And that's how you can get started with Postiz. If you found this video helpful, please leave a comment and like and subscribe. And don't forget to set your notifications for more helpful tips. Also, if you take a look in the description, you will find a link to our Linktree. There you will find our top AI recommendations. Click on any of those links to get started. You'd be helping us out as well, and we would greatly appreciate it.